Hey guys, it's Lauren. Alright, so I just tried to film something that I absolutely hated. It was awful. Didn't turn out well. Even my friends were like, nah, this ain't it. So, decided to switch it up. And I bought, oh, you can't even see that. Okay, there we go. They're like chrome little like pieces of plastic almost. Let's hope my mood gets a little better because right now I am frustrated. I hate it when a look just like doesn't come out the way you want it to. Okay, so I don't want a lot of face product on for this one, so I'm going to use a little bit of my Stay Matte foundation.
Ow.
I think I might glue down one eyebrow. I was thinking of doing, maybe I'll still do that. I'm just using a bit of Flashback from the James Charles palette. Just kind of make that white stand out. Stays like these that I wish I had the Kat Von D bleach superbrow, but I don't. So I'm just going to use the blonde. I'm going to contour a little bit under this cheekbone because this one is going to have like ice on it. I don't know what I'm going to do for this eye makeup, so I think I'm just going to start putting these down. Alright, so I've been gone for a little while, and this is where I've ended up. Okay, so now to decide what to do on my other eye. And on my lips. Oh, what should I do? What should I do? What should I do? I think I'm going to use Sunset Boulevard or Malibu. I think I'm going to use Malibu from Morphe. I'm going to use my Lime Crime Diamond Crusher. Alright. I'm going to use my Iciest Blue from my Moonchild, which is blue ice. Alright. Alright, and this is it for my finished frostbite kind of look, which is inspired by the weather in Toronto right now. If you don't live in Toronto, it's negative like 15, and with the wind chill it's like negative 30-ish. Like if you go outside, you could get frostbite just from like being outside, because this is how I feel when I leave my house. Like this immediately happens to my face. Like, anyways. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this frostbite tutorial, and I hope the pics come out really good because I think it's fucking sweet. All right, bye guys.